Well, I kind of expected this to be really challenging, and especially with an EV car crossing the river. And we knew that wasn't easy, especially when they opened the water of the dam. It became really, really hard. But still, I was really happy with the response of the Harrier EV, the power, and especially the torque. It was always there that gave me the traction that made my life easier. Well, I've been doing similar stuff like that all my life, but honestly, to be living in a river for 3 days, shooting all this project, I have never done something like that. But you know, thankfully with the professional team that we have here, all the crew, everyone from RedBull, from Tata, everyone, they did all their best just to make me feel comfortable. And this is how we faced some problems sometimes, but everything had a solution. Well, definitely the most challenging part was, you know, taking the whole 3-step in one take. Okay, first of all, we were just, you know, kind of drifting inside the water. Then the small crossing, the second step, but the third one was really deep. I couldn't imagine, you know, I still couldn't believe that we managed to do it even from the first take with the Harrier EV. As I said, I mean, the torque, the traction was there. I was kind of worried a little bit, but at the end, you know, I know how to swim. I wasn't that worried.